What if I told you Garmin could release not one, but two major smartwatches this year, and the next one might just change the mid-range market entirely? Yeah, you heard that right. Earlier this summer, rumors hinted at a new Venu model. Then it disappeared, almost like it never existed. But now it's back, and this time it's not alone. It's listed right next to the current Venu 3. Could this mean Garmin has a game changer for the mid-tier smartwatch segment? Stay tuned, because we'll break down everything you need to know, including a feature that could finally rival higher-end models. Here's what we know so far. The upcoming Garmin Venu 4 has appeared again in official listings, first on Garmin's Japanese site, then on a global site alongside the Venu 3. That alone tells us this isn't a mistake. Garmin is clearly gearing up for a release. And here's the interesting part. The Venu 4 reportedly comes with the hardware to support ECG readings, a feature usually reserved for premium models. That could make it a huge step up for users who want advanced health tracking without paying top dollar for a Fenix or Forerunner. Now, think about Garmin's 2025 lineup. Earlier this year, we saw the Venu X1, Forerunner 570, and Forerunner 970, plus the flagship Fenix 8 Pro at over $1,200. That's a lot of options, but there's a clear gap in the accessible mid-range segment, and the Venu 4 could fill it perfectly. What's still unknown is how Garmin will differentiate it from the Venu 3. Will we see Plus or S variants? Bigger battery? New sensors? For now, it's all speculation, but the timing suggests Garmin wants to announce it before the end of the year, and they've built curiosity perfectly with these teasers. So here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a next-level mid-range smartwatch, the Venu 4 might be the one to watch. ECG functionality, modern design, and Garmin's proven tracking ecosystem, all without the premium price tag. I'll be keeping an eye on this closely, and you should too. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because when Garmin officially drops the Venu 4, you won't want to miss it. Trust me, this could be the most talked about mid-range smartwatch of the year.